Hello everyone. Today we will learn about the psychotherapy, and which is an important part of our therapeutic process in the mental health nursing. Okay, so how this psychotherapy help us to how what actually it is, let's we see. Okay, so first we will see about the definition. It can be defined as a treatment of emotional or related bodily problems by psychological means. In the terms of psychological means, is the mean to cover a number of techniques, okay, which are mediated by a verbal interactions. So in a psychotherapy, what actually there are a number of treatments, therapeutic modules are used for the treatment of the patient, and to make him recover from his or her conditions is known as psychotherapy. Wahlberg defines psychotherapy as the treatment by a psychological means of problems of emotional nature in which a trained person deliberately establishes a professionally relationship with the patient to remove or modify to retarded existing symptoms such as mediated disturbed pattern of behavior and or promote a positive personality growth and development. So according to Wahlberg, psychotherapy is defined as a treatment by a psychological means of a problem of an emotional nature. How the emotional nature of the individual is, how emotional he is, how he gets sad or happy with the situation, in which a trained person deliberately establish a professional relationship. There is a professional relationship developed between the client and the therapist with the patient too, and in the which remove or modify or retard or existing symptoms. Whatever the symptoms is present in the client, the therapist will try to remove, or it may be modified to get it in a good condition, which is if the person don't get happy, so it will be modified to make him more good, happy in the situation. So this is the basically things. So mediated disturbed patterns of behavior and to promote a positive personality growth and development. So what are the common factors? Okay, restoration of moral is important. Moral is a very important thing. So, okay, you should know what is good, what is bad. So restoration of moral is important. But to help the psychotherapy, because most of the patients are treated have experienced a repeated failure and become a demoralized, losing the convictions that he can help them. So demoralization, I can't be cured, I'm getting day by day a worst. So moralless, good moral makes the individual to cure early. Okay, so release of emotion is helpful in the early stage of treatment. And abreaction is a type of psychotherapy, refers to a procedure in which a particular intense and a rapid release of feeling is encouraged. So release of emotion is helpful. So if I'm getting sad or low due to a certain condition, so this psychotherapy will help me to take out my what are the pains I have related to any situation, or loss of loved ones, or loss of my financial problems or anything. So this will make me to overcome my situations, and by expressing my feelings, okay, by repeatedly. So what are the types of the psychotherapy? Depth of probing in the unconsciousness mind, superficial or short term, also known as supportive psychotherapy. Deep or long term is also known as analytical psychotherapy, and educative is also known as counseling. So these are the type basic in according to the depth of the probing of the unconscious mind. In the basically in this there are three types: are superficial, or which is also known as a short term, and which is a form of a supportive psychotherapy. Okay, whereas in the deep, or which is long for long term, and which is also known as analytical, and which is for your educative purpose, which is also known as a counseling. Okay, next it depends upon the number of patients treated in a therapeutic sessions. So individual psychotherapy, group psychotherapy, and family psychotherapy. So when the individual psychotherapy, only single person, client and the therapist will be there. In the group psychotherapy, what happens, you have seen my video which is related to a group psychotherapy. It can be related to the number of 8 to 10 patients will be there with the same diagnosis. Okay, if I am substance abuse, so 8 to 10 persons with the substance abuses will be together, and therapists will be provided the same at this all this 8 to 10 person at the same time, so that individual can explain or share their experiences along with the others, and not only an individual may feel that कि ये मेरे साथ ही हो रहा है, it's only happening with me. Okay, so this is a group therapy. And family therapy, basically where the family's problem with the husband, wife, children or any other members, also combinations are there according to the purpose, what basic purpose is behind this individual psychotherapy. Supportive psychotherapy, re-educative psychotherapy and reconstructive psychotherapies are there. Okay, next we'll see about the individual therapy. So its aim is to produce limited but worthwhile change within a short term time, seldom more than 6 months and often considerably less. Because the treatment is focused upon a specific problems, the term focal psychotherapy sometimes is used. So individual psychotherapy basically focus on individual's one specific problem, whatever the individual is having. Okay, so specific problems are treated. Patients who have difficulty in personal relationships are free from serious disorders of personality, and those who are interested in gaining psychological understanding of their own behavior, reasonably intelligent, well motivated to change by their own our efforts. So these are the indications. Patients who have a difficulty in personal relationship or with their family members or colleagues or loved ones, and sometimes it is also given to those who really wants to know his or her own behavior, how I am. So these individual psychotherapies are so let's see the techniques, how this is work. The patient comes for OPD for therapist and observe the behaviors, assess whether the client is indicated for psychotherapy or not, and if it is indicated, the therapist will fix the schedule related to when to come and what will be the timing. So therapists provide a conducive environment and with a comfortable sitting and enhance the relaxation to the clients. Physicians assess the physical status and excludes any physical illness or the client is there or not. Then therapists establish a psychotherapeutic professional relationship with the client to exact the inner feelings, conflicts of the clients. After gaining the confidence, the therapist explains the theoretical information about the principles of the treatment and structure of the mind and body-mind relationship. So what actually the technique is, simply here we have seen that this first the patient will come to the OPD and asks for the treatment. Therapist will see that whether the patient needs or not, and if patient needs this therapy, so what they will fix the date, the time. It is like an appointment, when have to come, where you have to come, how you have to come. On during this after that the therapist will provide a conducive well environment where the patient may sit comfortably and can express his or her feelings freely to the this therapist, and it is a very private session where the therapist will not share his or her feelings with the others. Another thing is that before that physician will assess any medical condition or any physical illnesses not there in the patient, and with the therapist will make the client to express his or her inner feelings, what the client feels and what the conflicts of the clients are there. So after gaining of a confidence, the therapist explains the theoretical information. Once the therapist will try to cover up with the what actual the client's feeling is there, then he will try to explain the feelings of the client. So encourage the client to ventilate his ideas, and then after that the client will be encouraged to express his or her feelings. Therapist plays an active listener roles, and during interaction therapist analyzes the situation and gives the valuable suggestions whenever the necessary. So encourage to discover the reasons for his odd behavior. Why do you show such violent behavior? Why do you show such aggressive behavior? So therapist will try to cover up with the client's situations or the thoughts or feelings. Then process is continued until there is a satisfactory improvement in the client's conditions, and the extent of the nature of the handling of the psychological conflicts by client himself, that the therapeutic procedure are modified according to the client needs. Okay, how the client feels or what is the actual client's needs are there. And frequency of the therapeutic procedures are modified